Welcome. If you want to delete a group for both sides on the Telegram app using your PC with the newest update, this guide will show you how to do it quickly and easily. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account and that you have the latest version installed. Next, locate the group you want to delete from your chat list. Once you've found the group, simply right-click on the group name. A context menu will appear with several options. Look for and click on the option that says Delete and Leave. After clicking this, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Be sure to check the box that says Delete for everyone. This step ensures that the group will be deleted not just from your side, but also for all members of the group. Finally, click the Delete button to confirm the action. This will permanently remove the group for everyone involved, and you will also leave the group. Remember, once you delete the group like this, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you really want to delete the group before doing this. Following these simple steps will help you delete a Telegram group on your PC with the newest update in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.